Congratulations on purchasing your RYOBI One Plus 18V planting and digging tool. If you haven't already, make sure you register your tool to secure its 6-year warranty. Visit myryobi.com.au for more information. The box contains a 150mm auger, the auger locking pin and fastening clip, the motor top handle control assembly, a manual and warranty card, and if you purchase the kit, a RYOBI One Plus battery and charger. To assemble, stand the auger upright and fit the top handle assembly onto the shaft. Insert the locking pin and apply the fastening clip. Insert a charged RYOBI One Plus battery and the planting and digging tool is ready to use. Before using the tool, we recommend wearing appropriate personal safety gear, such as safety footwear and eye protection. There are 3 operation modes. Forward, with kickback protection turned on. In this setting, a green light stays on. Forward, with kickback protection turned off. In this setting, the red and green light shows solid. And reverse, in this setting, the green light stays on. We recommend new users apply the forward setting with kickback protection turned on. When operating the machine, adopt a solid stance with your hips locked. Take hold of the handle securely and your body should be close against the handle arch. Lift the tool above the work surface, engage the safety and primary triggers at the same time and allow the auger to gain full speed. Lower the auger into the work surface, allow the auger to bite into the material, letting the auger do the work. As the hole begins to fill with debris, it's important to constantly clear it to produce a clean cut and reduce the amount of effort required. While the auger is operating at full speed, slowly remove it from the hole and let the debris clear from the auger. If kickback occurs, the tool will stop and the green light will flash for 5 seconds. You will not be able to turn the unit back on until 5 seconds have elapsed. Remove the tool from the work surface, start the tool again and gently lower it back into the hole. If an overload protection event occurs, the machine will stop and a red light will illuminate for 5 seconds. You may need to find an alternate place to dig if a large obstruction has caused the machine to stop. We hope you enjoy your new purchase. For more information on this or other RYOBI products, please visit our website.
RYOBI, a cut above.